This is Matt with Sovereign Excavation and Construction Solutions, and we're going to take a little walk up of our ramp here that we just got done building. And we've got all this dug out here for the SCI to come in and do the boring. So pretty much there's going to be a piling here, one in the corner. We may even have to dig a little bit out of that corner. And then there'll be one in the middle here and one down here. And you can see our ramp. So came out pretty good. We got a nice big flat area up here, up top for them to get into. Had a little drainage issue that we ran that over there. I'm getting ready to go get a sock for the street. We'll get that put down there so this mud doesn't run down all over the street. And then we got to wait for the results. So once the results come in of the test, then we'll be able to see, if we can get our pilings in. Probably going to have one in this area, and then one in the middle here, one down on the end. So hey, this is Matt with Sovereign Excavation and Construction Solutions. What solution can I bring to you? Give me a call at 314-308-7161 and check us out on the web at www.sovereignexcavation.com. Thanks.